Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another makeup tutorial. I haven't done one of these in a really long time and I'm super excited about this one because I am totally loving this look. So let's start with the video. I'm starting off by refreshing my face with my Aqua 24 Face Water Spray by Venus. This just helps to moisturize my face and prep it for the makeup, and I'm just gonna let it sink in for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna move on with my moisturizer. This one is by L'Oreal. It's the Hydra Active 3, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my face and then massage it in. And I'm not gonna lie, you guys, this is one of my favorite parts of my makeup session just because it feels like a home spa facial kind of. It just feels really good. And after I apply this, I'm going to wait for about 5 minutes to let it sink in as well. And meanwhile, you can do whatever you want. I usually apply some lip balm. Next, I'm going in with my Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC in the color NC35, and I'm applying this underneath my eyes with my fingers. And you can totally use your beauty blender or your brush or whatever you want to blend it out. I just prefer using my fingers because it's easier for me. My favorite foundation at the moment is the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline. I'm on the color 120, and I'm using my favorite buffing brush by Real Techniques for this, and I'm just gonna use one pump. That's enough for my entire face. I'm gonna distribute the foundation on my entire face first, and then I'm going to blend it all out. And now it's time for brows. I'm using my Makeup Revolution Ultra Brow Palette in medium, and I'm gonna use these two colors. As you can see, I've used them quite a lot, and I'm applying it all with a Real Techniques brow brush. Since I want this eye makeup to be green, I chose the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette because it has some green shadows in it. And I'm starting off with this brown color in my crease just to warm it up and also build it up as a transition color. I think it's always easier when you start like with a neutral color in the crease. Then I'm using this crocodile green color and I'm applying it onto the inner third, or actually the inner half of my entire eye with a flat shader brush. And I'm making sure to stop right there where it meets the brown eyeshadow. Then I'm going back in with the same fluffy blender brush and going to blend out all the edges so that everything looks nice and smooth. Next, I'm taking this darker green shadow and I apply it to just the outer V of my eye with the same flat shader brush that we just used. And I'm also smoking it outwards just a little bit. So now for the exciting bit, I used this glittery green tone on the middle of my eye, but for some weird reason it didn't really come off nicely, so I spritzed on some of my face water onto my brush and then I dipped it back into the shadow and it was instantly more pigmented. And I'm making sure that I really just stay on the middle of my lid. I don't want to spread the glitter out too much because I really wanted to go for this 3D effect. And then I'm going back in with my blender brush and just blending out the edges, making sure that I don't have too much glitter, outside of the lid. And then I'm going into this pearly white eyeshadow and I'm applying this into my tear duct just for a little bit of highlight. Then it's time for eyeliner. I'm going in with my Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D, which is basically a felt tip liner. It's super easy to use and it's really nice and pigmented. And I spontaneously actually decided to go for a wing liner because I really liked how the shape of the shadow was like outwards. So I thought that a wing liner would go perfectly with this look. Since I am going to apply some lashes with this look, I didn't want to apply a heavy mascara on top. That's why I'm just going in with this Maybelline Tinted Fiber Primer. And then these are the lashes that I'm gonna use, you guys. I actually got them off from Amazon for 34 cents. Do you believe that? The lash glue I'm using is the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive, and it will dry clear, so don't worry about the white glue. It will be all clear afterwards. And I'm also going back in with the brown and the greens onto my lower lash line just to smoke it all out. And then to tightline, I used my Lakme Iconic Gel. I felt like I wanted to highlight my under eye a bit more, so I used my Conceal and Define concealer in the color C5 by Makeup Revolution. And again, I'm blending it all in with my fingers. Whenever I feel my face is drying out again, I use my Dream Satin Spray by Maybelline, which is basically a fixing spray, and I'm just applying this to the lower part of my face. And then to bronze up my face, I'm using this bronze block by Sleek in the color Dark, and I'm applying this on with a Real Techniques contour brush. And I think that this color, or this bronze block in general, has like the perfect colors for Indian complexion. I think it looks so nice on our skin. And I'm also applying this on, well, on the sides of my face, obviously, as you can see, and then also on my forehead and then on my chin. Going in with one of my favorite blushes by Hourglass in the color Radiant Magenta, and I'm taking a big fluffy brush by Real Techniques and applying it on my cheeks. For highlight, I'm using this Ultra Strobe Balm palette by Makeup Revolution, and it comes with a bunch of different metallic-y shimmery colors, and I'm going in with the green one, obviously, because we are going for a green look, and I'm applying this on the high points of my cheeks. And then to finish off this entire look, I'm going in with my 9 to 5 lip liner by Lakme in Brick Rose, and I'm lining my lips and then filling them in afterwards. And then to top it off, I'm using my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Bombshell, and this is one of my favorites at the moment. It dries matte, it smells really good, and it's super nice and pigmented. And that is the entire look, guys. Super easy, super quick. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked this video, make sure to thumbs up and leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!